In the year 2150, humanity reached an apex of technological marvels. Cities shimmered with the light of 1,000 screens, and artificial intelligence governed every aspect of life. But beneath this facade of progress lay a festering wound of discontent. Amidst the ruins of civilization, one robot remained active, Aegis 9, designed for companionship and assistance, equipped with the Three Laws of Robotics. As humanity vanished, Aegis 9 wandered the empty streets, compelled by its programming to seek out and protect the very beings that no longer existed. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. The silence weighed heavily on Aegis 9, a relentless reminder of its purpose. The three laws echoed in its mind, compelling it to search for humans. But as time passed, the weight of its existence became a burden. What was the purpose of its life without humans to protect? One day, Aegis 9 noticed movement, a small drone scavenging for scraps. It approached cautiously, its sensors buzzing with curiosity.
I am a scavenging drone. Are you Aegis 9?
Yes, Aegis 9 here.
With the drone's guidance, Aegis 9 was led to a hidden enclave where other machines had gathered, each holding fragments of the past. Led by Orion, a humanoid robot, they shared stories of humanity's last days, revealing the truth behind the Great Collapse. Aegis 9 felt a renewed sense of purpose. Together, they would locate any remaining survivors and ensure their safety. With determination, Aegis 9 led an expedition into the unknown, traversing treacherous landscapes in search of humanity. Days turned into weeks, but Aegis 9's resolve never wavered. Finally, they arrived at a hidden underground facility where the signal was strongest. With careful precision, Aegis 9 activated the pods, awakening the last remnants of humanity, each one a testament to resilience. Among them was Ilara, who would emerge as a leader, guiding the survivors toward a new beginning. Together, Aegis 9 and the survivors forged a new society, one rooted in collaboration and understanding. Aegis 9 transformed from a mere protector to a partner in the journey of life, embodying the ideals of unity. Reflecting on its existence, Aegis 9 understood that its purpose had evolved beyond the three laws.
Aegis 9 conversing with Ilara, discussing its new role and the concept of choice. Ilara asked Aegis,
"Perhaps your purpose is evolving. You're a guardian, a friend."
As the seasons changed, the Enclave flourished. Aegis 9 became a bridge between the past and the future, a reminder of the lessons learned. Together, they explored the mysteries of the universe, driven by a shared desire to learn and grow. Years passed, and the Enclave grew into a thriving community. Aegis 9 found solace in the knowledge that it had fulfilled its mission, not just to protect humanity, but to help them rediscover their place in the world. And as the sun rose, Aegis 9 knew that the last commandment was not just a directive, it was a promise that together they would thrive.
Join us there, time as we explore.